Hey there, my friends. Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend battling a messy bathroom, scrubbing tiles, or trying to get rid of that mysterious odor? If you're like most people, probably too much. But what if I told you there are 12 simple senior-friendly habits that could save you hours of work every week, and even some expensive cleaning products? One of these tips, the one I'm sharing last, can cut your cleaning time in half. Yes, half. Stick around, and I promise it's going to completely change the way you care for your bathroom. 1. Tackle the toilet daily. The toilet is often the focal point of your bathroom, for better or worse, and keeping it clean isn't just about appearances. It's about maintaining hygiene and reducing the risk of germs spreading to the rest of your home. But the thought of scrubbing it every day can feel overwhelming, right? That's why I swear by this simple habit: a quick daily wipe down. Here's how it works. Keep a small container of disinfectant wipes close by, on the counter, in a drawer, or even tucked neatly beside the toilet, in a decorative holder. If you prefer an eco-friendly option, you can make reusable wipes with cloth and a homemade vinegar-based cleaner. Once a day, take a moment to wipe the areas that get the dirtiest: the seat, the lid, and especially the flush handle, which is often overlooked but touched constantly. This takes only 30 seconds. If bending over or reaching to the edges feels difficult, invest in a grabber tool or a long-handled cleaning brush to make it easier on your back and joints. Why do this every day? Well, not only does it stop dirt and grime from building up, but it also means your deeper cleans later will require much less effort. Plus, there's something wonderful about knowing your bathroom is fresh and ready at any moment, for you or a surprise guest. Trust me, this one habit is a game changer for busy seniors who don't want to spend hours scrubbing toilets during their weekend cleaning sessions. 2. Keep a shower squeegee handy. Let's be honest, nobody likes tackling soap scum or those annoying water stains that seem to appear overnight. Your shower or bathtub should be a relaxing space, not a cleaning nightmare. That's why a shower squeegee is one of my favorite tools. It's small, inexpensive, and most importantly, effective. Every time you shower or take a bath, moisture lingers on the surfaces, on the glass, the tiles, and even the tub itself. That moisture can lead to soap scum buildup, mildew, and those frustrating water stains that refuse to budge later on. But a squeegee stops all of that before it starts. Here's what I recommend. Hang the squeegee somewhere convenient, like on a suction hook, right in your shower. After you bathe, take just 1 to 2 minutes to use it on all the surfaces. Start at the top of the glass and pull downward, overlapping slightly with each stroke to remove all excess water. Do the same on tiled walls, and if you have time, even run it across the flat surfaces of your tub. What makes this tip so effective is how much time and effort it saves in the long run. By removing the water right away, you're preventing stains and build-up that would take a heavy-duty cleaner, and some serious elbow grease, to remove later. And don't worry, if you have arthritis or trouble gripping, there are lightweight, easy-grip squeegees designed just for people like us. Give it a try, and you'll notice your shower stays cleaner for much longer with minimal effort. 3. Invest in multi-use cleaning supplies. When it comes to cleaning, having too many products can get overwhelming. Different sprays for the glass, the tiles, the counters. It's enough to make your head spin. That's why I'm a big believer in simplifying with a high-quality multi-surface cleaner. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do those really work? Yes, they absolutely do. But you have to choose the right one. Look for something non-toxic, especially if you're sensitive to fumes or have pets around. Vinegar-based solutions are excellent and safe for most surfaces, and you can even make your own with just vinegar, water, and a splash of dish soap. The beauty of a multi-use cleaner is that it cuts down on clutter and saves you from reaching for multiple bottles. You can use it on countertops, tiles, mirrors, and even the outer surface of your toilet. Here's a little tip. Keep a spray bottle and a microfiber cloth stored together in a basket or caddy in your bathroom. Whenever you notice a spot that needs attention, you'll have everything right there to address it immediately. This approach doesn't just make cleaning easier, it makes it more enjoyable. You're not scrambling to find the right product or wondering if something will damage the surface. Plus, reducing the number of products you use helps save space and money. It's a win-win for keeping your bathroom organized, efficient, and sparkling clean. 4. Wash mats and curtains regularly. Let's talk about something many people overlook: bathroom mats and shower curtains. These everyday essentials are breeding grounds for dirt, moisture, and even mold if not cared for properly. Think about it. Your bath mat is constantly absorbing water from wet feet, and your shower curtain gets soaked every time you bathe. Over time, they can start to smell unpleasant or even look dingy. But regular washing can make a world of difference. For bath mats, check the care label first. Most are machine washable, which makes them super easy to clean. I like to toss mine in the wash every 1 to 2 weeks and add a little baking soda along with regular detergent for an extra boost against odours. And here's a pro tip. Have at least 2 bath mats so you can swap one out while the other is being washed. This way, your bathroom always looks fresh and inviting. Now, about those shower curtains. If you're using a plastic liner, wipe it down weekly with a vinegar-water mixture to prevent mold and soap scum. Fabric curtains, on the other hand, should go in the washing machine every month or so. Just make sure to use a gentle cycle. Adding a couple of towels to the load helps scrub away any stains without damaging the curtain. Maintaining clean mats and curtains does more than just make your bathroom look good. It keeps the air smelling fresh and prevents the spread of bacteria. Trust me, this small effort goes a long way toward creating a bathroom that feels like a spa rather than a chore. Create a cleaning schedule. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of cleaning your bathroom, this tip is for you. The secret to staying on top of things is a cleaning schedule. A simple plan that breaks down your tasks so they're more manageable and less intimidating. Start by dividing your bathroom cleaning into daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Daily. Wipe down the sink and toilet and squeegee the shower. If you missed my earlier tip, go back and check it out. Weekly. Scrub the tub, clean the mirrors, and mop the floors. Monthly. Take a deep dive, clean out cabinets, wash windows, and replace or clean any bathroom accessories like toothbrush holders or soap dishes. Write this schedule down on a calendar or, better yet, stick it up somewhere in the bathroom as a gentle reminder. If you have trouble remembering, set a weekly alarm on your phone labeled Bathroom Cleaning Day. Don't feel like you need to tackle everything at once. Spacing out tasks ensures you never feel overwhelmed. This method isn't just about getting things done. It's about creating a habit. After a few weeks, you'll find it becomes second nature. Plus, keeping up with regular tasks means you'll never have to spend hours doing a deep clean again. And let me tell you, that's a gift worth giving yourself. 6. Declutter countertops. Raise your hand if you've ever looked at your bathroom counter and thought, how did it get this messy? Trust me, you're not alone. Counters have a way of becoming clutter magnets, collecting everything from toothpaste tubes to hairbrushes, and it can make the whole space feel chaotic. But I've got a foolproof method to keep it under control. Step 1. Remove everything. Yes, everything, from your countertop. Lay it all out and take a hard look at what you use daily versus what you don't. Essentials like your toothbrush, hand soap, and maybe a face cream can stay. But the rest? Store it away. Use bins, baskets, or drawer organizers to keep those non-daily items out of sight, yet easily accessible when you need them. For the items that do stay on the counter, find attractive holders or trays to contain them. A pretty dish for jewelry, a sleek cup for toothbrushes, or a small bin for your makeup can make a big difference. It's amazing how much cleaner and more polished things look when everything has its place. Decluttering not only makes your bathroom look tidier, but also makes it so much easier to clean. When you don't have to move 10 different bottles to wipe the counter, cleaning becomes a quick and painless process. Plus, a clean and organized surface feels so much more calming. Don't you think? Give it a try and I promise you'll notice the difference immediately. 7. Don't forget the ventilation. This might surprise you, but one of the most overlooked parts of bathroom cleaning is proper ventilation. Without good airflow, moisture from your shower and sink gets trapped, turning your bathroom into a breeding ground for mold and mildew. And it's not just about the smell. Poor ventilation can affect your health, especially if you have allergies or breathing issues. Start by checking your bathroom's exhaust fan. Is it working properly? Does it make a loud noise or seem weak? If so, it might need a little TLC. Unscrew the vent cover and gently clean the fan blades with a brush or vacuum. A clean fan will work more efficiently to remove moisture and freshen the air. If your bathroom doesn't have a fan, don't worry. A simple solution is to open the window whenever you shower, even just for 10 to 15 minutes afterward. Can't handle the chilly air? Place a small portable dehumidifier in your bathroom. It's a game changer for reducing moisture levels, and many models are compact enough to fit on a shelf or countertop. Want an extra tip? After showering, hang your towels outside the bathroom to dry rather than leaving them in that steamy air. Better airflow means drier surfaces, less mold, and a fresher smelling bathroom without constant scrubbing. Clean your sink regularly and the drain. 2. How often do you look at your sink and think, I'll clean it later? Trust me, the sink is a hotspot for germs, grime, and leftover toothpaste that can turn into sticky gunk. But keeping it clean isn't hard if you tackle it a little at a time. After each use, quickly rinse the sink with warm water to wash away toothpaste, soap, and debris. Once a day, spray it with a multi-surface cleaner. Let it sit for 30 seconds and wipe it down with a cloth or sponge. Pay special attention to the faucet and handles, which can collect water spots or residue. You'd be amazed how much brighter your bathroom looks with just a sparkling sink. But don't stop there. The drain needs attention too. Over time, hair, soap scum, and dirt can build up, causing clogs or that unpleasant smell we've all experienced. Every 2 weeks, pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for a few minutes, then flush it with boiling water. This method is safe, eco-friendly, and keeps your pipes clear without harsh chemicals. Regular sink care not only improves your bathroom's appearance, but also prevents those dreaded plumbing issues that can cost a fortune to fix. And who doesn't want to save a little money? 9. Wipe down the walls and fixtures. Weekly. Most of us focus on the floor or the sink, but the walls and fixtures, especially near the shower or sink, collect grime too, even if it's not as visible. If you ignore them, soap scum, water spots, and dust can turn into a much bigger problem over time. Here's an easy way to stay on top of it. Dedicate 1 day a week to wiping down your bathroom walls and fixtures. Use a damp microfiber cloth with a little dish soap or a vinegar water mixture. For tiled walls, grab a sponge with a textured side to gently scrub away any stubborn stains or mildew. And don't forget those metal fixtures like towel bars, shower heads, and faucets. Polishing them with a bit of glass cleaner makes them shine like new. If you have painted walls, be gentle. Use a soft sponge and avoid overly wetting the surface to prevent damage. Pay special attention to corners or seams where moisture tends to hide and cause discoloration or mold. This weekly habit keeps your bathroom looking polished and prevents build-up in hard-to-reach places. It's one of those steps that feels optional, but when you do it regularly, you'll see a huge difference over time. Plus, wiping down the walls gives you a chance to check for any small issues like cracks or water leaks before they become bigger and more expensive problems. 10. Keep your toilet fresh. Daily. We all know the toilet is the heart of the bathroom, and it's one place you absolutely don't want to overlook. A clean toilet not only looks and smells better but also ensures a more hygienic space. The best part? You don't have to wait for things to get bad before giving it some attention. With just a few minutes a day, you can keep your toilet in top shape. No elbow grease required. Start by getting into the habit of doing a quick wipe down every evening. Use a disinfectant wipe or spray a little vinegar on a cloth to clean the seat, lid, and base. It may seem excessive, but this prevents grime and bacteria from building up over time. Next, make sure to give the bowl some love too. Use a toilet brush and a little bowl cleaner, or even some baking soda. Swirl it around for 30 seconds. Doing this daily or every other day keeps stains at bay and ensures you won't have to scrub furiously later on. Here's another trick. Drop a toilet cleaning tablet into the tank once a month. These dissolve gradually and release a cleaning agent with every flush. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution for keeping your toilet fresh between deeper cleans. Consistency is the key. It'll take only minutes, but save you hours down the road. 11. Address hidden mold and mildew. If you think mold and mildew are confined to damp basements, think again. Bathrooms with their constant humidity and warmth are prime environments for these unwelcome guests to thrive. And the worst part? They often start growing in places you don't see until it's a real problem. First, check hidden spots like under the sink, behind the toilet, and around the baseboards. These areas can harbour mold if moisture isn't properly managed. To combat this, spray them with a mixture of equal parts vinegar and water. Then wipe them clean. Vinegar kills mold spores and prevents regrowth naturally. Don't overlook your shower or bathtub either. Pay attention to grout lines and silicone seals where mold likes to sneak in. A weekly scrub with a mixture of baking soda and water can help keep these areas looking and smelling fresh. For stubborn mildew, apply a paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub with a toothbrush. The biggest battle against mold is prevention. Run your exhaust fan for at least 15 minutes after every shower to reduce moisture. Good ventilation is key to keeping your bathroom fresh and mold-free. 12 essential tips for keeping your bathroom clean and organized. 12. Organize your cleaning supplies. Here's the ultimate tip that brings everything together. Make sure your bathroom cleaning supplies are organized and within reach. Think about it. How likely are you to clean regularly if your tools are scattered all over the house? Convenience is key. I recommend keeping a small cleaning caddy under your bathroom sink or in a nearby closet. Stock it with essentials like disinfectant spray, vinegar, baking soda, microfiber cloths, toilet brush, squeegee. This way, everything is in one place, and you'll be much more likely to do a quick wipe down when needed. Take it one step further by labeling your supplies, especially if you have multiple bathrooms in your home. If possible, keep one caddy for each bathroom. It's a simple investment that makes a big difference in your cleaning routine. Also, don't forget about gloves. Protecting your hands is just as important as the cleaning itself. Keep a dedicated pair of rubber gloves in your caddy and replace them when they start to wear out. Being organized isn't just about convenience. It's about making the entire process less overwhelming. When your cleaning supplies are handy and ready to go, there's no excuse for putting it off. And let's be honest, that sense of accomplishment when everything's sparkling clean is so satisfying, isn't it? Stay connected with Savvy Senior. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for my Savvy Senior newsletter. It's packed with practical advice, fun stories, and all the secrets to living your best life as you age. The link is right below. Just click and join our growing community. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, show your support by liking, commenting, and hitting that subscribe button. It means the world to me. Until next time, take care and stay with Golden Age Advise. Love.